Here is how to invite a guest in Monday.com. Checking invite from the upper right corner will show if it's available for sharing. Then go to the three dots to the top right. Then you'll see board settings. Hover cursor in there, then choose change board type. Click change to shareable. Note that this will be visible only to subscribers and people who access this board with no subscription, and they will no longer have access. Then click change board to shareable. Go to invite again and you'll be able to invite guests by their email or name. And that is how you invite a guest in Monday.com.